Hello guys, welcome to Codaflex Solutions. I am a student studying web development. I thought I'd talk about what I'm learning and explain what I know. So guys, when I started learning, my first challenge was knowing where to begin. Then I found this. Web development has three parts. The first one is front-end web development. Front-end development is all about how a website looks and feels. It makes sure the site is smooth, interactive, and enjoyable to use. The second one is back-end development. Back-end development handles the server part of a website. It makes sure databases, servers, and logic all work properly and safely. And the third one is full-stack development. Full-stack development combines front-end and back-end skills to create websites and apps that are visually appealing and function well. Because of that, I thought I should start with front-end web development. Even if we do back-end work, we should know a little front-end to understand how front-end and back-end link up. In today's lesson, I'm going to share what I've learned about front-end development. There are a few things we definitely need to learn here. They are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML is the main language used to make web pages. It helps structure things like text, images, and links, and keeps the website organized. CSS is used to design websites. It changes colors, fonts, layouts, and spacing, so the website looks nice and works well for users. JavaScript is used to make websites interactive. It makes animations, forms, buttons, and content respond to users. On our journey to becoming professional web developers, we need a solid understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'll give a short recap of what we covered in today's video. Web development has three parts: front-end web development, back-end web development, and full-stack web development. Today we discussed about front-end web development. Next, we already learned front-end uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In the next video, I'll share what we need to do after learning front-end development. I think you learned something from this video. If you liked today's video, please press the like button. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment with your ideas or suggestions. Is this channel helpful? So don't forget to subscribe.